Hello, all of my lovelies. It's Melissa from the Turtle Nail Salon. Thanks for joining me today. If it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Today I am swatching the 2013 Summer Splash collection. There's 4 gorgeous colors. This first one is Bikini Pink, and it is a bright cream pink. This next one is called Lobster Roll, and literally it's red like a lobster. It's also a cream type base color, and the opacity on this one is very good. All of them in this collection are really good for opacity. This next one here is Water Park. It is a little bit of a shimmer combination pearl type color. It's a beautiful blue, great for summer. And this next one is Grape Gum. It is a beautiful, vibrant, pearlescent purple as well. And that is how the colors look. Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for tuning in today and watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to ring the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. Bye!